Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Etoro and Kraken and which one is better. And in today's video I will give you an honest opinion about which app is better to use. I write down some topics. So first of all, I want to tell you, if you want to choose Kraken, it's better if you want to trade with lower trading fees and plan to trade often or higher in volumes, because Kraken is better with that. Also, if you care about advanced trading tools and a broad crypto selection, then Kraken is better for you. And if you are relatively comfortable with trading, want more, or aim to treat crypto like serious investing or trading. So in my opinion, you need to use Kraken when you're a little bit more experienced with trading. If you want to choose Etoro, then I have the following 3 things that you need to know. If you are new to crypto or want a simple application to trade with crypto, then Etoro is better. And Etoro is also better if you want to set and forget investing, or if you want both crypto and traditional assets under one roof, then it's also better. And if you like social trading a little bit more, or if you want to easy stake or want to have passive options, then Etoro is also better. So this is my honest opinion to both applications. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.